Right? Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my vlog. Another beautiful day in Madeling's life. We have Audrina, Sapphire. He is crawling now. So anyways, we just got back from Publix. I have to put the groceries and stuff away, clean up. Today I don't really have a lot of editing to do. Actually I have zero. Babe's about to get home for lunch, so I'm about to whip up some smoothies and salads and stuff really quick for us. We've been working out every day. We've been looking slim and good. You know, you can't tell me. We stop. Yeah, so today's just a cleanup. You know, like I said, we've got some new fire content coming soon. Our couples channel coming soon. My channel is gonna be elevated. So yeah, guys, like stay tuned, you know. But anyways, let me show y'all what I got. I got eggs. Of course, I went to Starbucks. Y'all already know. I gotta put all this stuff away. But I'm gonna focus on Babe's dinner. Lunch first. So yeah. Sava, how you get all the way over here? Huh? You gonna clean for mommy? Before I put the groceries away, I'm going to clean the fridge. This is what our fridge looks like a little whole healthy fridge. Waters and stuff for like salads and wraps and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna make everything more organized, throw out what needs to be thrown out. But I mean, for the most part, this is it. This is all of the stuff that is now trash. This is all of the stuff that I'm putting in the dishwasher. And let me see. And this is a fridge. I still have to put some stuff away. So yeah, I mean, this honestly, this is super healthy. Hello, beauties. Chef Jalon in the kitchen. We got shrimp. I don't know what it's called. What's it called?
Love, passion.
It's like kind of Thai dish. So
yeah, it's a Thai dish.
I'll show you guys when it's almost done.
Yeah, it's a Thai dish. What it's called. You know. Something like that. I forget the name of the chicken to go to all the time. I can't remember the name of it. Man, forget this. It's so good.
It smells really good. I'm excited. I'm just a food critic. So good, so good, so good. This way. Oh. 10 out of 10. So good. Right. Vlogging her, chilling. So good. So she's about to get her hair done by Auntie Mincy. So I'm just blow drying it. Why are you looking like a little grown girl? Put your head back. Just blow drying it. Sapphire's over there. We gotta hurry up. I got to get her ready, and then we're leaving in 10 minutes. Hi. Whew, it's a lot of work. I'm sweating.
Yeah.
So,
Mommy, can you give me $4? Yeah.
I got
$4 for it.
With coconut?
For what?
It's too bright. It's too bright. It's too bright. There we go. Much better. Come tell them how your prank went, Drina.
No, I am not.
He's unprankable.
No, he's not.
I think it's gonna be a series of
Prank words.
prank fails. Like,
No, prank words. Prank words.
prank fail number 1, prank fail number 2, prank fail number 3. Like that's probably what it's gonna be, right, babe? Right? Hey. We tried to prank him. We tried to put blood on the floor. Oh my gosh, we didn't get the video of your foot bloody. Like that was really good.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Blood on my finger.
Yeah. We'll see. I don't know how much practice. You're really unprankable. Like you don't, you know.
I have prank on me.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Hello, my beauties. So obviously I'm in the car. I have to get gas, and I really, really, really dread getting gas. Like I just. But you know, when me and Babe take the car together, he gets the gas, and I like love it because I don't have to get out and pump and all of that. But anywho, I'm here about to get some gas, and then I'm going to Ulta, and Best Buy. I'm gonna run some errands, and then I have to pick up Drina because she's still getting her hair done. But you know, yeah, that's all. Nothing's big. Oh my gosh, y'all! I gotta tell you, this drink right here. Can y'all see it? Can y'all? This drink right here, mango dragon fruit lemonade without the dragon fruit inclusion. Add pineapple and ginger and raspberry, guys. That drink is heavenly. It's so good. Y'all can thank me later after you try it.
Hi. Hi. Salon Chronicles.
See if I can get Drina. Still in the salon. Hey. Hey. Sissy's still getting her hair done. She's probably almost done though, so we're just gonna hang out until then. Good morning, my beauties, and welcome back to my vlog. Another beautiful day in Madeling's life. Oh my gosh, I don't get too close. You see this? I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I got this though from Ulta. It's a drying lotion. Let me know if y'all used it or what it's like. Oh, my face is just ratchet. I'm making my famous tea. Y'all already know. Hello, beautiful. I've got 2 peach bellinis, some jade citrus mint, the elderberry. I'm just gonna let this sit in there. Put my top on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some ice in it. So you guys already know I like to fix my tea and stuff in the dark in the morning. But anyways, I've got my tea brewing. And then if you guys watched my other vlogs, you know I'm going to put it in some ice because I like ice drinks. I don't like hot stuff. I feel like it's been brewing for a little minute now. So yeah, today is going to be a beautiful day. I've got quite a mess to clean up and lots and lots of stuff to put away, and I want to do my nails. Gosh, there's not enough time in the day. I'm just kidding, there is. But anyways, yeah. So I've got to put my makeup stuff away, clean up this corner. I haven't really filmed a decent new video in a minute, so just kind of gonna figure out how to make this background look really good so that I can use it as space, because there's really nowhere else that I can film that's gonna look good. So anywho, let me get to it. I'll check back in with y'all later. I might stop at the store, don't know. I might want to just stay put at home and just get this area situated. So yeah. Hi my beauties, good morning. So today I've got a bit of an earlier start. Don't mind me, I look crazy and tired. Right now I'm about to do my nails. I'm going to wax. I might need to do like a mini facial again because my face has been breaking out. And I'm not even gonna lie, I haven't really been doing the best maintenance. I mean, I'm extracting properly, but I haven't been doing like vitamin C and other those things. Anyways, let me not act like it's a drag. I do need to take care of my skin, so I got some vitamins. So hopefully that will help. So we'll see. I will let y'all know. I've got my tea, water, smoothie, and then I'm gonna just do a quick set. And I'm at the table. I'm obviously keeping things hygienic. I haven't been drinking coffee. It's probably been over a month now that I haven't had coffee. I've just been doing tea, which I made some today. I'm a little tired today. Like we went to sleep late last night and had to get up super early, so I'm definitely feeling it. And then bad news for me, I'm out of black tea, which is the stronger caffeine content, so I had to use green tea. But anyways, we're gonna push through. We're gonna get through the day. I almost cracked because I got some Starbucks coffee up in there. I got some Cafe Bustelo up in there. So it's kind of like, it's been a mind battle fight. Yeah, so pray for me, y'all. But that's, you know, thanks to God, blessings, my man, like support and technology being upgraded, because if not, I would not be having the same conversation so happily, you know? Anyways, let me get to it. Am I on you, girl? I'm terrible. I can't do this. Don't vlog here. I'm just doing some laundry. And chilling with the family. Say what's up to the vlog. Oh my gosh. Stop fire.
Why are you all over here? Why y'all?
Uh-oh. We lost a Bobo. She's crawling. She's crawling. Going all over the place. Okay. Mama, here. We ain't doing that right now. Okay, so I'm gonna order, right? For delivery. Sorry. Oh, I gotta fix our phone screens. I could do that now since we're just sitting here not doing nothing.
Complete season.
Yeah. Can I see your phone?
See yours first. Like, see
I'm vlogging.
how good and terrible you do, because you know that's all up.
You're so funny. I would never do that to you.
Look good for us, man. We got ice powder.
Yeah, it's a little small. Baby, can you go off your screen, please? I don't want to say no. I loosened it for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. What?
Get some of my cousin got the baby.
Good. Olive
Rains,
green.
clouds, baby shop.
Sapphire, say hi to the vlog. Let's see if you can see her. Hi. We're gonna pick up some steak. Oh, she walks all the time? Is she a vet? Babes can cook some steak today. Oh, I got the time lapse from the thing you cooked yesterday. It's called Thai cashew shrimp. Right?
Yep.
It was so good. Oh my gosh. He's gonna have his cooking channel soon, so you guys can learn all the recipes and stuff.
That'd be great.
Yep.
That'd be good.
Yep.
I don't know what I'm doing though.
That's a lie. It tastes really good. I can't promise that your dish is gonna taste as good. But it tastes good.
Slow your roll.
Yep. I got you on camera drinking. I got you on camera. No, I know it started to record too late. He was drinking Starbucks, yeah. So we're about to go home, and then I want to film us putting on the marble laminate over my desk and over the coffee table. So I think that would be really fun. I might just do it like a time-lapse video. And yeah, I think that's it. There's some other videos that we want to film, but I feel like we just have to plan them out, and I have to have our list filmed and planned accordingly. So we're going to just take it easy and just vlog until then. Like I mentioned, I want to have his cooking channel because he cooks amazing dishes. Like, it's so good. It's mind-blowing to me. Yeah, and then that's it. So I'm gonna start editing this vlog. It might go up today, so if you see this footage, this particular clip right here where I'm talking to you in this attire, it is filmed Sunday the 7th. Is today the 7th? Yes, it is today, and the vlog will go up today. So y'all stay tuned for the next one. I love, and yep, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's all we're doing today. So freaking good. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch y'all on the next one.